World premiere of the new ID BUZZ GTX with 4MOTION all-wheel drive. Strong performance drive with the new ID BUZZ GTX Volkswagen presents its most powerful series production Bulli of all time. All-wheel drive as standard, one electric drive motor on each the front and rear axles combined to form the intelligently controlled 4MOTION all-wheel drive system. 2 wheelbases, 2 new batteries, the ID BUZZ GTX with normal wheelbase and the ID BUZZ GTX with long wheelbase get more powerful batteries, high pulling power, with a maximum trailer weight of up to 1,800 kilograms and all-wheel drive, the ID BUZZ GTX is ideal as an electric towing vehicle for bike, boat or horse trailers. Volkswagen presents the new ID BUZZ GTX. The electric Bulli equipped with a powerful performance drive system will in future be available with 2 wheelbases, 2 battery sizes and a choice of 5-, 6, or 7-seater. It also comes with standard 4MOTION all-wheel drive for optimum pulling power and traction in every driving situation. In addition, both GTX models share an individualized design. Pre-sales of the ID BUZZ GTX will start in the summer. This year, Volkswagen is once again expanding its range of sporty GTX models alongside the ID.3, ID.4, ID.5 and ID.7 Tourer. Electric all-wheel drive, the new ID BUZZ GTX is equipped with 2 electric motors, both together form all-wheel drive. The top speed of the GTX models is electronically limited to 160 km per hour. The electric motors are supplied with energy by batteries in 2 sizes, which can be recharged from 10 to 80% in 26 minutes at DC fast charging stations with up to 185 kilowatts or 200 kilowatts, maximum charging capacity. The all-electric Volkswagen ID BUZZ GTX 01 GTX towing capacity, thanks to an extra power and the 4MOTION drive system, the ID BUZZ GTX offers a higher maximum trailer weight. The version with normal wheelbase can effortlessly pull up to 1,800 kilograms, braked, 8% gradient, while the ID BUZZ GTX with long wheelbase has a maximum towing capacity of 1,600 kilograms. The maximum trailer weight was thus increased by 800 kilograms and 600 kilograms respectively. The 4MOTION system offers great traction advantages when towing a trailer on wet or loose surfaces in particular. The new ID BUZZ GTX is therefore an ideal towing vehicle, for example, for boat or horse trailer. World premiere of the new ID BUZZ GTX with 4MOTION all-wheel drive. Strong performance drive with the new ID BUZZ GTX Volkswagen presents its most powerful series production Bulli of all time. All-wheel drive as standard, one electric drive motor on each the front and rear axles combined to form the intelligently controlled 4MOTION all-wheel drive system. 2 wheelbases, 2 new batteries, the ID